Now we're on the roof. We have magnificent views, but it's also a kind of place where the building comes to the top. There's a kind of feeling of hair on top, which is like the sod roofs, which in the earlier models we wanted to make in big grass to grow, but in reality there's no grass that will grow that tall, right? Or stay in winter. So I was working in China and I asked my right-hand man, Noah, could you send a bundle of dried bamboo over? And we just try a little rebars. And so this become the top of the building, the kind of hair of the building. Just simple, very inexpensive dried bamboo on rebars, which we can adjust, you know. And it gives a kind of feeling of the top of the building, the kind of end, and also you can have a kind of cocktail up here you can see out. There's the same brass of the spine that comes up, covering up the elevator shaft. So it's a nice feeling of being up above, but also being in the top of something which is not particular. It's not the top of anything. It's the top of a body. You know, now we're dandruff in the hair.